The interstellar space escape room centers around techniques and phenomena that astronomers have discovered as they probe the nature of the universe, including spectral lines, the Doppler shift, HR diagrams, and more. This escape room was designed to provide a much more challenging experience than years past. Entering the room, participants are met with 6 papers, 3 of which include an assortment of absorption spectrum, with each spectrum corresponding to an element. Participants are to decode the spectrums using the provided key. Once decoded, each paper labeled 1 through 3 will spell out a zodiac constellation via the corresponding element symbols. Participants are then to find a chart including the names and shapes of each zodiac constellation, as well as a blacklight. Using the chart and blacklight, participants are then to find the numbers written in invisible ink on the constellation tapestry located in the room. By placing numbers next to the corresponding constellation found in Clue 1, in the order that the papers were labeled, they obtain a 5-digit code. In our case, Leo, Gemini, and Pisces, which on the tapestry equated to 12, 25, and 7. By inputting this code into a locked box found in the room, participants obtain the next clue. After opening the box, they are met with a piece of text explaining the Doppler shift and are asked to rank the images of the 5 galaxies found inside in terms of velocity from fastest towards us to fastest away from us. By placing them from most blue shifted on the left to most red shifted on the right, participants obtain the correct order. By flipping the papers over, they are then met with a series of letters and numbers. Participants must determine that these numbers and letters correspond to the Hertzsprung-Russell diagram found in the room, with the letter representing a stellar classification located on the bottom axis, the first number representing an absolute magnitude on the left axis, and the final number representing a temperature on the top axis. Participants must pinpoint the location on the HR diagram for each of the 5 sets of information. Then, by overlaying the HR diagram with the provided number grid, they obtain a number for each set of information. Placing these numbers in the order they were originally ranked in based on the Doppler shift, participants obtain the second and final 5-digit code necessary to escape the room.